In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 a day, which is $27,000 a month and $328,000 a year, selling digital products that you don't even have to create yourself, working just 2 hours around your schedule, doing simple things like posting content to social media to attract customers so you can build your email list. And then once they're inside of your automations, they can buy it from you at any time. And you get to earn 100% profit per sale because this is not MLM, this is not affiliate marketing. So there's no uplines, there's no downlines. This is master resale rights with high ticket marketing. So you earn 100% profit per sale. So this is basically an all-in-one business in a box. You don't have to create anything. We give you the products, website, sales funnel, community, training, everything you need to be successful. You just got to get started and set up your system, plug into the community, and then just follow this 2 hour workday where you're basically just posting content on social media every day to attract customers. So before I show you the system and how it works, I'm just going to explain to you the two different ways to make money. So there's basically two ways to make money. One way is being an employee. You're like an employee, you have a job, right? You're working for other people. You're building other people's businesses and you're making other people rich, okay? That's one way to make money. Objectively speaking, it's not the best way to make money, okay? The best way to make money is to have systems out there working for you instead of you working for the systems, right? So the second way to make money is to be an entrepreneur, which means you can work whenever you want to work, you can make as much money as you want to make, and you have systems in place out there working for you 24/7 so you can make money while you're sleeping or doing anything, okay? So now I'm going to show you what this business looks like and how to get started with it and what you got to do to attract customers for your business. So let me just share my screen. Okay. So yeah, here I'm going to show you what the business looks like. This is what like when you start this business, you're going to have your own automated online system, like a business in a box out there working for you 24/7. Okay. So here's the first, this is a sales funnel. We give you this sales funnel for free, right? So you don't have to create this. This is already created for you. You just got to set it up. I'll show you how to set that up in a second. But basically, when someone goes to your link, okay, you got to go to GoDaddy and get a professional domain. Like my domain is sevenfiguremonk.com. That's my link, right? So when people go to your link, they're going to put their email in and you're going to be building your email list, okay? And that's where the money's at. The money's in the list, right? So they put their email in and then they're going through the rest of the sales funnel. Okay. They're going through your automations. They're going to watch this video. This video is doing the selling for you. And then there's testimonials here. You can see like people are making money with this business. $5,000 in 8 days for Joseph, $1,300 day for Marsha, $1,800 day for Savannah. I had an $1,800 day. Okay. $10,000 for March for Danelle. Okay. So you can see those are testimonials right there. And then also, here's another video we send on people's emails. Again, some more testimonials. $7,000 week for Veronica. Okay. $3,000 in 6 days. Yeah, so you can see there's another one of me, $900 day. So yeah, these two videos are doing the selling for you. These two videos are answering people's questions for you. Okay. And you can see how there's a button here. If they click on that, it's going to take them here, which is your sales page or your website. Now, these are the products that we sell. These are forwarded digital products inside of the e-learning industry. Okay, so they're going to teach you everything you need to know about digital marketing, how to build an online business from scratch, how to attract customers, how to grow your social media following, mindset training, attraction marketing, how to create your own products, your own communities, everything. That's you're going to learn so many things like this. Okay, everything you need to know to go from 0 to 6 or 7 figures online. Okay. We show you how to do literally everything, right? How to be an entrepreneur, right? So people go to your website, they purchase one of the products, 100, 300, 600, or 900. Okay. And then see, there's like these payment buttons on your website. So people go here, they purchase a product. Okay. And then you get paid instantly through your payment processor like PayPal, Stripe, or Square, whatever payment processor you want to attach. That's how we get paid through our payment processor, right? Okay, how would an extra $900 a day change your life? So this is the system that you get to use. Now these pages are what's out there working for you 24/7. Like I've made around 30K so far with this business because of these pages. All the money I've made has come through these pages, right? So we have 50,000 people in our community. We've done $29 million in sales in 10 months. We sold $29 million worth of these products in 10 months, paid out to the community. So I have 30K of that, 29 million. 30K of that is mine. Okay. So we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. And you also get a certification training. So it's going to show you how to promote this business like a pro. It's going to show you the do's and the don'ts when it comes to digital marketing, right? Then you got testimonies on your page. So you see, here's a picture of me, right? You just got to put your picture in, you put your bio in. ChatGPT can help you, AI can help you create your bio, okay? Or you can write it yourself. It's up to you. So your website's basically going to look like this, but like I added my own pictures, so you're going to have your own pictures and stuff, right? You're not going to have all these pictures of me because it's my website. So it's me. So this is for people that, they want something that's simple, something that's proven to work, something that's step by step. Maybe you've tried making money before online and you failed. I failed too before until I started this business. Like I tried for many years. Affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, failed miserably. Spent more money than I made, but I've made more money with this business than I've ever made online with any other business. Okay. This is not for people who are not willing to take action. You got to take action and you got to be coachable. Okay. So you got to be coachable and you got to be willing to take action, right? More testimonials. Okay. Why this proven process works, how master resale rights outperforms other business models. Okay. All this stuff. So like if someone goes to your website, they purchase one of these products, as soon as they purchase a product, you get paid instantly. And there's also payment plans for your customers. Okay. Then you get all these bonuses. Oh, where's the bonuses down there? Okay. So people can get started with the 100, the 300, or the 600. And as soon as someone purchases the program and then they pay $39 for their website, they have instant access to everything. Even at the $100 level, you still get this whole system, right? And you still get access to the community, even at the $100 level. But at the $100 level, you can only earn at that level. Okay. You can only earn at the level that you're at. So if you're at the $900 level, you can earn at all four levels. But if you're at the $100 level, you can only earn at the $100 level. Okay. And then there's the bonuses, like we teach you how to create your own community, how to use Canva, my first million in 17 months blueprint, 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan, invisible empire faceless marketing, how to create digital products. You get all those bonuses. Okay. And that's the website. So this website, the same website you get to use. Okay. And you can just brand it to yourself. And then eventually you can also learn how to create these own like pages for yourself, right? Like you can create pages like this yourself. You can actually use these pages for any business. You can just go inside of your system and change the words for any business you want to promote. That's the cool thing, because once you learn how to do this stuff, you can promote any kind of business, any kind of product as well. So you're going to learn all this stuff. You're going to learn how to become a full-fledged entrepreneur. So that's how the system looks, okay? Like if you want to get started with this business, like if you're ready to get started with a business, then all you do is go here, right? Hold on, let me just move this thing. You just go here. You go to the sales page, you purchase one of the programs, you pay $39 for your website, and then you have instant access to everything. So if you want to get started, sevenfiguremonk.com, there's a link in the description to get started. Okay, and I'm also going to send you a free PDF. It's going to show you how to make 10K in 30 days. So as soon as you purchase your program and you pay $39 for your website, you're going to have instant access to your products. This is where you get instant access to all of your products. Okay. So here's the certification training is here. The products are the education, it's the information, it's the training. Okay. So here's your certification training. Here's all your bonuses, right? How to create digital products, faceless marketing, all that stuff. Okay. And then what you do is you access whatever program you purchase, the top one, the most expensive one, you start there. Okay. So let's say you purchase the legacy program, you start here, click here to get started. You just watch this. It's going to show how everything works. Everything is step by step. This shows you how to do everything step by step inside of the program. How to build a business to 6 or 7 figures. All that information is included inside of this program. Plus, we have a community for extra training and support. Okay. So one of the first things you got to do is set up your website, right? So you got to get your website set up. You go to GoDaddy, you get your domain and your professional email address. Okay. You just watch these videos and it shows you how to set up your system. You're setting up these pages. That's what you're setting up. Okay. You're setting up those pages. Yeah. So where was I? Back here. Yeah. So payment gateways, this shows you how to attach your payment gateways to your website so you can get paid through PayPal, Stripe, Square, like that. Okay, and then the rest it just shows you how to connect your domain to your system. But most of the videos you're just copying and pasting stuff. That's mostly what you're doing to get your system set up. And then it's going to look like this, right? You're going to have your own business in a box. You didn't create anything. Everything was already created for you. Keep that in mind. And you earn 100% profit per sale. So you keep 100% of the profit. Like if someone goes and purchases your $900 product, you get to keep the full 900. Okay. Now let's go inside of the community. Let's go see different. I'll show you the community. We got 54,000 people here. Okay. And once you get started, you can just go here, introduce yourself, ask any questions that you have, right? Post your wins. So if you, oh, yeah. So if you go here, let's go to the wins. So this in this section, people post wins, like if they made money, if they made a sale, or whatever they want to post, they're going to post here. Okay. So she got her first lead. Look at she got her sale. She went live. She made $900 sale from her live. That's what we do to promote our business. We basically just post content on social media and we go live. That's how we attract customers. So she went live and she made 900 bucks. That's amazing, right? 900 bucks just by going live for like 30 minutes or an hour or whatever. Two leads, $100. Okay. They made $100. They woke up to $100 because four products, so four income streams. Sale, $100 while on a business call. Okay. I'm certified. Where is that? Yeah. So she went through the certification training. So now she's certified. She's a licensed reseller of the program. You become a licensed reseller, right? Okay. She has 1,000 followers, $300 sale for Kara. So there you go. So that page, we have like 30 pages of wins, 30 posts on each page, and there's like 29,000 pages of wins. So we have a lot of wins, right? And then inside of the classroom, we have recorded trainings that you can watch, like mindset training, social media training, all the replays of the millionaire mentoring calls. Okay. Go here, getting started. This is going to show you how to get started and access your program and everything. Okay. And then the calendar, this is where we have this shows you when we have our live calls, like the live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners. So tonight we have one at 8 o'clock. Tomorrow we're doing a 3-day workshop. I don't know what that's all about. We'll find out. Okay. And yeah, that's the community. So like I said, all you got to do is purchase one of the programs, pay $39 to get started. And then like you got to set up your business and then you're following the 2 hour workday. You're basically posting content on social media. Oh yeah. After you set up your system here, you want to go to this launch kit for your online business. Okay. This is going to show you how to get your first sale in 7 days. So you want to watch this training. And then after that, you just go through all the rest of the trainings on your time, right? Like you're going to learn how, like, this is the product. The training is the information, it's the video modules. Okay, that's the product, right? So you're going to learn marketing and social media, discovery method, how to find and attract customers, mastering storytelling on social media, how to brand your business, how to craft a message, how to post free ads on the internet, build a recurring income stream, affiliate marketing and partnerships, email marketing and list building, how to use ChatGPT to 10x your productivity, creating your own digital product, launching your own course or program. Okay. And you're going to also learn how to create your own community. Then you can watch all the millionaire mentoring replay calls. Okay. So you just go through all this training just around your schedule. Okay. Like I said, purchase the program, pay $39 to get started. Okay. And then once you set up your system, you follow the 2 hour workday, you're basically posting content on social media and going live. That's basically what we do to attract customers. Okay. So for example, let me show you my YouTube page. This is how I post content for my business, right? Here's videos. Like I'll create long form videos over 10 minutes, just like this one I'm creating right now. Okay. This is a long form video that I'm creating right now, and I'm going to post to my social media, to my YouTube channel. Okay. So here's my long form videos. Here's my lives because I go live on YouTube and I go live on TikTok simultaneously. So there's my lives. Okay. And short videos. Okay.
This
So
video, I'm going to give you the
here's me
exact.
talking videos, very easy to do. Here's a talking video replying to a question that I had. Talking video. Let's find another style. Okay. These are all short videos, less than like, 3 minutes basically. Mostly, usually it's less than a minute, but this is an AI video. So this is like a AI person. It's like me, it's my twin. And I just went to ChatGPT, I put in a chat script, and my AI person is talking for me. So if you want to learn how to do that, I put there's an app in the comments in the description. It shows you how to create videos like this. Okay. The app that I use to create these videos, I put that in the description. Here's a B-roll video where I just create like a 7-second video of me doing random things, and I put words on the screen with trending audio. Okay, here we go, B-roll video. So those are the kinds of videos that you can create just to give you some ideas. And we're going to teach you how to do everything. Here's just me taking a selfie and putting words on the screen. Okay, so we're going to teach you how to create all this content. So you're going to learn how to do all this stuff. So that's basically all you got to do. You got to get started. You set up your business and you start posting content and you start attracting customers. That's how I've made 30K with this business so far. So it works. And there's like, we've created over 100 six-figure income earners inside of our community as well. So it's already proven to work. You just got to get started and take action, right? So just make sure to like this video, share this video with someone you know. If you know someone who's working 40 plus hours a week, they're overworked and underpaid, they're stressed out financially, just share this video with them and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you want to get started with this business, if you're ready to get started, just go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the description. Put in your best email, check your spam, check your promotions, check your blueprint. I mean, check your promotions or your whatever junk folder for the word blueprint for the blueprint because you're going to get the blueprint from me. And also, there's a free PDF that shows you how to make 10K in 30 days. You can unsubscribe at any time. You can get started at any time, and you can reply to my emails at any time if you have questions. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless.